Until 2014, I had never eaten a cookie, not one. That year, I traveled to Singapore with my mom. My first trip after my brain stroke. Every moment felt like a gift. Every step, a little victory. I remember holding her hand, feeling the quiet strength in that simple gesture and thinking how far I had come. We had just landed and the airport was alive. The hum of luggage wheels on shiny floors, hurried footsteps all around, the sound of flight announcements echoing above, and somewhere in the air, that deep, comforting smell of coffee. We stopped at a Starbucks before heading out. Mom, as usual, ordered her coffee. While I waited beside her, my eyes wandered to the glass display. That's when I saw it. A golden brown cookie, studded with generous chunks of chocolate that seemed to wink at me under the lights. I had never ever been curious about cookies before, but something about that one called to me. I picked it up not knowing that moment would change something inside me. The first bite stopped me in my tracks. The butter melting on my tongue, the chocolate oozing softly through the warm, tender crumb. It was like holding happiness in my hands. It was comforting, indulgent, and yet so simple. And right there, standing in the middle of Singapore airport, I fell in love with cookies. It wasn't just about the taste, it was about the feeling, the joy of discovering something new, the warmth of sharing that moment with my mom, the reminder that life still had sweet surprises waiting for me. Though I recovered from the stroke, I never recovered from the magic of that cookie. And today I'm sharing a little piece of joy with you, my single serve cookie. It's so easy to bake, just right for those small cravings. Perfect with your evening coffee or for the days when you're too lazy to bake a whole batch. And the best part, one is more than enough. Rich, warm, and made to dunk in with hot coffee and relished. Because sometimes joy comes in the simplest things. A warm cookie, a hot coffee, and a moment you'll never forget. Today, it's not just my favorite, it's also my daughter's favorite. And the sweetest part of it, that was my first cookie, and this is the one I bake when I want to relive that moment. If you ever had a bite that you'll never forget, tell me your story in the comments. And if this recipe tempts you, give it a try. Take a picture and tag me. Let's share the magic, one cookie at a time. And do subscribe to my channel. See you next time.